So what you're going to learn here today is how do you change the oil on a Kawasaki 2015 ZX10R SuperBike. Let's hit it. So what you're going to need is a 17mm socket and a ratchet, using this towel just to protect your clothes on laying down on a workshop floor, wheel derrick underneath this sump, and the sump bung is actually left hand side right there opposite the oil filter. Easy to get to and no need to remove the SuperBike panel to get to it. Same for the oil filter. Because we need a bit of access, I've moved the oil derrick just out the way. What we need to do is just crack off the sump bung and then stop, and then put the oil derrick underneath. Okay, get your oil derrick underneath. The oil is going to come out really quickly. So just rotate, rotate, be really, really fast. 3, 2, 1. Nice bolt. And there it goes. Yeah, we did get our glove all oily. That oil was actually coming out. We'll just take the sump bung and rest it on, say, the kitchen paper. And sometimes you do find this with Kawasaki's. You try to undo the filler cap and it will not budge. So the only way to get around that is you have to use a pair of pliers to help loosen it off. And we've used masking tape and the pliers just to try and not mark the plastic. But there's no other way of doing this. Loosened off the oil filler cap. So the reason why you do this is to allow air to get through the Kawasaki SuperBike, and I find it just makes the oil drain a little bit faster, loosening off the cap. Not undoing it all the way, just loosening it off. Just so you're aware, the sump bung does use a crush washer.
It's come off the Kawasaki, yeah, and the question is, do I replace it? This is a copper one, okay, it's not aluminium, but I've got an aluminium one somewhere here. And you know, if I if I measured that at 1.6mm and I measure the at 2.9, what you got to do? You know, replace it with this. That's not crushed, and it has wear marks on it. Yeah, I mean, you know, there are witness marks. Okay, but they're not ingrained. They're not deep set into it. You just got to work out which side up you think it went. Yeah. So I would say the bolt went on there, because you can see the witness marks, the outside of the bolt. And I'd say that was against the flat surface of your sump. Okay, so I'd refit it and I wouldn't bother replacing it, okay? And again, I know it's a copper one, I've got some alley ones somewhere, but I'm in a rush, so I would not replace it.
Also, another giveaway, if you're unsure which way the aluminium washer should be facing, look at the corrosion. So you see most of the corrosion is at the bottom of the washer, which is most likely exposed to the elements and the weather and the road. So smooth surface facing towards the Kawasaki SuperBike, the rough surface is facing towards the bolt. So all you're going to do is take your kitchen paper and you're just going to wipe down the surface as best that you can. Just go over it like that, a circular motion. Just keep going. Keep going around it, and that should be pretty good. put in the sump bung bolt by hand to start with. Just gently put it in my hand and then just rapidly go around, wait for the bolt to get tight. Sump bung 25 Newton meters should be. Once you hear the torque ratchet click at this point, tidy up your tools. And then add the engine. Then you're going to take brake cleaner, kitchen paper, and just wipe down your oil derrick and then put it away. Don't forget to take a little bit of brake cleaner and just spray down your sump bung. Don't have to use a lot of it, just use some of it. The Kawasaki ZX10R takes 3.7 litres, and that's from the workshop manual. Huh. Oil filler cap, it's a little bit awkward. So the technique here is dump most of the oil into the SuperBike engine, and if there's a little bit left, then that's fine. Have kitchen paper ready, get your stalk in there, and then just, away you go. 10W40 fully synthetic, and that is from the workshop manual. This is a race engine.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishbone, thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was in a lifeboat wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the when I'm scared, I send a flare in your
Okay. Have kitchen paper ready. A little bit oil left in the container, which is correct. 3.7 litres. It's okay to have a little bit of oil left at the bottom of your container. Turn up your oil filler cap. Screw on. Neutral. Only a few seconds. The sight glass is here, right hand side of the Kawasaki, and we're on full. watching. The sump plug, pretty easy to get to and straightforward. Thanks for watching.